Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss liquid crystal display. So, what is exactly the liquid crystal display? Liquid crystal display is a thin, flat used for thin flat panel used for electronically displaying information such as text, images, and moving picture. It is an electronically modulated optical device made up of many number of pixels filled with liquid crystals and array in front of the light source, that is backlight, or a reflector to produce images in color or monochrome. Here are the different kind of components are used in the LCD. These are first backlight, second sheets of polarized glass. There are the two sheets of polarizing filters are used, horizontal polarizer and vertical polarizer. Third, the mass of colored pixel. Third, the layer of liquid crystal solution responsive to a wired grid of XY coordinates. So, this is the diagram for liquid crystal display. As shown in the figure, this array of light represent backlight. It has two components, electrical components and magnetic components. They are 90 degrees to each other, or we can say they are mutually perpendicular to each other. There are the two polarizing filter are used, vertical filter, vertical polarizing filter and horizontal polarizing filter. The liquid crystal material is placed in between vertical polarizer filter and horizontal polarizing filter. When there is no supply voltage these liquid crystal are at random in position. But when the supply voltage is given to these, all the liquid crystal get aligned. So let's see how the liquid crystal display can be worked. As I already told you, in the construction of LCD display, it utilizes two sheets of polarizing material with liquid crystal solution is placed in between them. Now, let's consider this arrow mark as a light wave. It have two components, electrical component and magnetic component. Both are 90 degrees different from each other, or we can say they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Any LCD display have two polarizer, vertical polarizer and horizontal polarizer. Vertical polarizer which can block horizontal light and horizontal polarizer which can block vertical light. Let's consider by, by using backlight we can try to pass this light wave. In that case, the vertical polarizer allow only the vertical light wave and horizontal polarizer allow only the horizontal light wave. Now, it works as a light filter. Now, move to our important part. That means liquid crystal. It can be operated by supply voltage. If we place in between the vertical and horizontal polarizer, when we energize this liquid crystal by using the supply voltage, they get properly aligned. Otherwise, they get misaligned. Now, when we try to pass backlight to the vertical polarizer, then this liquid crystal helps to polarize the light from vertical direction to the horizontal direction, so that light can easily pass through the horizontal polarizer. Let's consider if we place a red color filter in front of the horizontal polarizer so that it fails to produce red light in such a way that by using three basic color like red, green and blue, we can get different kind of images. When red, green and blue have the same intensity, in that case we get output in the form of white light. And if only the red color have high intensity, and other, that is blue and green, have a low intensity. In that case, output in the form of red output. And when green have higher intensity than blue and red, in that case output in the form of green output, in such a way that when blue have a higher intensity than red and green, in that case output in the form of blue output. Any display like computer or mobile have a million of pixels are used so that we can generate the different intensity of the light. So friends, in such a way that the liquid crystal can be worked.